Hello traders, what a big bullish day on Wall Street here today with the S&P up 1.1%, the Nasdaq up 1.51%, Dow up 0.96%, Russell's up 1.96%, the banks up 2.18%, leading the markets higher here today, and then the Q's up 1.37%, which is a big number, and then Apple up 0.91%. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program, and welcome back everybody to our Q's analysis class here today on Thursday, February 16th of 2012. So let's take a look at our Q's chart here and let's analyze it here a little bit more so that we know exactly what's going on. And what a beautiful, beautiful bounce off of that 8 moving average, which we talked briefly about yesterday. When we bounce off of it actually and close the day higher. So we are finding a really nice area of support right here at this 8 moving average, which is at the 62.83 at this point in time. Okay, that's a significant area of support at this moment. As soon as we break below it, then we could head lower to some areas of support, but if we keep staying above the 8 moving average, we are still bullish. So that's what we see here happening here today. We are fighting that 8 moving average here, trying to stay above it as much as we can, and we are pushing the day and finishing the day higher. But we never got close to the high of today, which was right here at about 63.86. We were trying, but we never made it back. So pay close attention to that little guy, the 63.86 mark tomorrow, because that's a significant area of resistance that I want you to pay close attention to. Let's put our trend line in here so that you can see it and do the same thing, okay? Because it's a significant thing that we are doing here, and it's going to help you quite a bit, so you don't have to worry about missing that 63.86. Okay, so if we ever bust through the 63.86 and close above it, we would have some more potential to the upside. Now we'll have to go from there. But if we do not, if we do instead push it all the way back there and then pull back down to at least the 8 moving average, we'll be still in the bullish territory, but at resistance. So again, keep your eye on the 63.86 as well as the 62.83, which is the 8 moving average, and watch those guys really closely. Okay, if we ever break through the 8 moving average and close below it, again, as I said, we could continue lower to that lower area support down here, 62.12, and then the next one down here would be at 61.41, and then you have all the other areas of support down here. And check this out. Let's take a look at the MACD. Look at this little guy. We are pointing higher on the MACD right now, but we are getting close to our trend line that we put here yesterday. We spoke about that as well. So keep your eye on this little guy here because we need to see a confirmation. First, look for tradable setups on our Q's chart, and then look down at the MACD to make sure it's confirming everything that we see happening on the chart, okay? And the volume, pretty significant again here today. So watch those guys here closely also and look for spikes in volume. All right, yeah, so that's all that I have here for you today. Safe trading to all of you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.